If you're feeling tired, worn out, or simply holding on, know that you are seen. Even the strongest hearts need rest. Let these affirmations remind you that you need care too. Come back to them whenever your day gets heavy while you care for others. Let's begin. I am doing the best I can, and that is enough. I honor my own needs while caring for others. It's okay to feel tired. My feelings are valid. Taking a break is not selfish, it is necessary. I allow moments of peace to enter my day. My value is not measured by how much I give. I deserve rest just as much as I give care. I am allowed to ask for help and receive support. My well-being matters too. I release the guilt of needing time for myself. I am not alone. Others understand and care. I give myself permission to slow down. Caring for myself helps me care for others better. My limits are not weaknesses, they are wisdom. It's okay to set boundaries without guilt. I am proud of the love and care I give. Please don't forget to look after yourself. Even small amounts of rest and care can restore your soul and lift your spirits. You deserve peace and support for all you do for others. I wish you a day of peace and tranquility. Until next time, thanks for being here.